just a quick video for you guys about my last video, this video where I showed you how to get approved with pay-per-call affiliate network, mainly market call. I'm gonna show you on my screen on my email that the account that I was using to set up the market call account has been approved. Let me show you quickly. As you can see on the screen, this is market call. Your market call account has been approved. So if you want to make sure I'm not lying, the email, let me show you the email I use to apply. Let me just show you so you will see. It was valleywatches at gmail.com. If you go back to the previous video that I made, how to get approved on market call, you're gonna see it's the same email. So now let's go to market call and find some offers to promote that will pay us. So now we're gonna go on the computer on market call. I'm gonna show you some offers that you can promote right now that are gonna bring you a lot of phone calls. And if you want me to coach you, you can reach me on Skype. I can help you out. I can help you make your first $100 per day with pay-per-call. So let's go on my computer right now. Let me show you best offers to promote right now inside of market call. As you can see, it is a brand new account. There is no sales, no data on it. But just to prove you, you can follow my training to get you approved on any platform, including market call. A lot of people who see my training, they make money. So you see, I'm inside of market call right now. That's very easy. So here we're gonna go to the offers on the left, and we're gonna click on offers just to see what type of offers we can promote right now. I will suggest you guys to go and filter offers that are related to home services, some offer that accept offline marketing. You can use them. So if I go on the category right now, I'm gonna go to the home services and I will check this. And when I check this, I wait for market call to display all the offers related to home services for me, because I know home services offers convert better. These are the home services offers. You can see these offers are sorted by leads. I'm gonna try to filter them by call because I really like when it's by call. I don't want to filter by leads. Let me just filter by phone calls. So the just company who want us to bring them phone calls. These are the company that we want to market, guys. So if I go down now, yes, you see this offer, it's convert very well right now. This plumbing services offer, they're gonna pay you $19, and this electrician 90 seconds, only 90 seconds over the phone, you will get paid $16. There are some HVAC services. This one is home insurance bundle. Okay, this one will pay you $36. And I have home security. People who need home security, they will pay you $40. Let me see, for 120 seconds. So there are a lot of offers here that are gonna pay you very well, guys. Don't find any excuse. If you need me to coach you, my training is on the link on the description. And if you want me personally to coach you, it's gonna be a little bit pricey. But if you just prefer my training, just click on the first link on the description. The price today is only $100. If you do it today, you will pay $100. Tomorrow, I may increase the price. Here we up, guys. It was your friend as always, Vanel. Bye-bye.